YouTube currently has over 2 billion monthly active subscribers, and YouTube itself revealed that there are actually more than 500 hours of videos uploaded to it every minute. With so much new content on the platform, getting your video to stand out is no easy feat. Not all videos are built the same though. If you are a celebrity or someone famous hopping onto YouTube, then your channel will easily grow because people already know you. But if you are, you wouldn't be watching this video. So I'm speaking to the other side of the coin, those who are starting out from scratch. Hi, I'm Lynn Pedetti from Dawn Media Productions, and we have been helping YouTubers and business owners grow on YouTube and get more leads for their business through video marketing. So if you want to receive free tips and information on YouTube SEO and video marketing, make sure you are subscribed to our channel if you haven't yet. Now, YouTube has proven itself effective as a marketing tool over the years. I myself was able to meet my husband through YouTube. I was able to grow my now 7-figure business because of the sales and leads that I've generated through YouTube. I've met a lot of amazing people because of YouTube, which has opened a lot of opportunities for me. But high views does not automatically mean more exposure. We should not just aim for higher views because these views must be high retention views as well. So the algorithm can help us push the videos into a wider audience. This means that we should learn how to create a hook for the viewer and keep them there for as long as possible. Let's be clear, the most important thing is creating videos that are worth watching. It won't matter how amazing your title is if your content is terrible. So quality content does matter. But let's assume you have great content, but still finding it hard to get seen. As a YouTube marketing expert, I will share optimization tips that we do for our clients in order to get improved and high retention views. Make sure to watch until the end of this video because the last one is actually the most overlooked but most important one you might have been ignoring to do. Create a title with the right keywords. Now, if you want to grow your YouTube channel and get more video views, one of the best ways to do that is by optimizing your video titles. YouTube keywords are phrases and terms that represent your channel. These keywords outrightly reveal what your channel is all about, and of course, your video. You wouldn't want to neglect this bit because it is your primary fishing hook. Use a title to quickly summarize what the video is about. Be descriptive as much as you can without going over the character count, of course. If you already have a title in mind, using a free tool like Google's AdWords keyword tool or word tracker helps identify what people are searching for around the keyword niche that your video occupies. This means that using phrases and words that users are already searching for or typing in the search bar increases the possibility of leading them to your video. Most keyword tools, including the AdWords tool, will suggest synonyms with higher search volumes. You can also create a title that speaks on the pain points of your target audience or their problems. Once you know your audience, you can create videos addressing their goals as well as helping them solve key pain points. For example, in this video, we are addressing problems on low views and growing channels organically for our target audience as a YouTube marketing business. Avoid using clickbait. While it may work at first in getting you those views, it will end up being damaging in the long run. As your viewers get used to your clickbait tendencies, they'll end up not trusting any of your video titles. As the video retention goes down, YouTube also stops pushing it up on suggested and search lists. Use catchy thumbnails. If eyes are considered windows to our soul, I would say thumbnails are windows to our YouTube videos content. They provide a preview of your video and entice viewers to click through, so it's just as important as your video's title. Upon uploading a video, YouTube will offer you a choice of frames from your uploaded video to serve as this preview image, but rarely will this freeze frame serve you well. You need something that grabs the eye and communicates what your video is about at a glance. You want it to grab your target audience and make them think, I need to watch this. If your video has an ordinary, bland, unclear, or totally uninteresting thumbnail, it won't persuade anyone to click through. YouTube could deem the video irrelevant and won't rank it in the search results or recommended lists. So strong visuals are essential to grab the attention of your viewers. Now, I understand that not all of us have talent in designing or editing thumbnails or have the capacity to pay someone capable to do it for you, but you can take advantage of free editing softwares out there with pre-made templates to help you get started. My favorite would be Canva. All you have to do is swap the pictures out with yours and edit the text with your keywords or title. To take it up a notch, creating coherent YouTube thumbnails that are on brand makes it look more interesting to viewers. For example, you can use the same fonts or colors all throughout, which creates a pleasing, consistent look for your channel, rather than just using random different templates for every video. An on-brand picture with these elements that acts as a teaser for the video will not only give context, but it's also an opportunity for your audience to familiarize themselves with your style. Use appropriate tags. YouTube tags are phrases or words that help YouTube determine the type of video you have published on the platform. When you upload a video, there is a specific section under the video description settings to add these tags. YouTube tags function to help YouTube grasp your video's content and context. This way, YouTube can understand your video's topic and category and associate it with similar content, which can help in targeting the right audience who are interested in that specific topic or video category. Some creators may be clueless on what tags to incorporate, but there are free tools that generate YouTube tags based on keywords that have high search ratings. You can use tools like these to help you generate appropriate and SEO-friendly tags for your videos. You can also use Google's search predictions. You can type in your main keyword on the search bar, and all the other similar phrases suggested by Google can be your tags and keywords, because these are also the most searched phrases by Google users globally. To get ideas, you can also go to a popular video on the same topic and copy some of the keywords that they are using that are still relevant to your video. Take note to avoid irrelevant or unuseful tags. This can be attention-grabbing and misspelled tags to conjunctions and prepositions. You should also avoid putting too many tags. The point of tag is to help the algorithm understand what your video is about, so it can surface to users that are looking for a video like yours. Using too many keywords can cause confusion for what your video is actually about. So it's important to use relevant keywords and keep each tag between 2 to 4 words. Before we proceed to the fourth and last tip, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We share tips on growing your YouTube channel and similar content like this regularly, so make sure that you are subscribed and you have enabled the bell button to be notified whenever a new video is published. Now, onto the fourth and final tip. Upload closed captions or subtitle. This may be an unpopular tip, but adding closed captions or subtitles is actually one of the most effective ways to increase your video's reach. Captions are text overlays on the video representing the dialogue or words being said. This can be an English translation or direct transcription of the language being spoken. There are over 360 million people all over the world who have hearing issues, so adding captions on your videos allows you to tap into that audience. And honestly, I myself appreciate captions even in movies, even though I don't have hearing issues, because it just makes me understand it better. Don't you agree? You'll be able to reach millions of people who are either deaf, hard of hearing, or non-English speaking. Not only that, even the usual hearing, English speaking audience prefer captioned videos too. Now, on the technical side of things, YouTube captions are indexed and read by YouTube and Google through their spiders or crawlers. This is the method of Google through artificial intelligence in determining what kind of content your videos have and whether it is valuable and relevant. In other words, through providing closed captions for your videos, Google can be able to read your video and determine its ranking. Google gives higher preference to videos which are more informative and puts them on the top of the search results page. And if your video does not have any captions at all, you are losing by 100 miles with those creators who have them. YouTube already actually has an automatic closed captioning feature, but as an AI software, it's not perfect, especially with non-English videos. You'll have to manually edit the captions that have been automatically generated in order to correct any mistakes. Take note that application of proper writing rules is important as well. Punctuation, marks, spellings, and proper grammar. Optimizing each video on YouTube can be a daunting task at first. There can be a lot of things that you have to keep in mind when starting. And if you are doing everything by yourself, then that can be even harder. But these seemingly small and minute things can add a big difference in growing your channel as you remain consistent and dedicated. Now, for new content creators aiming to maybe monetize their channel or expand their community, or business owners trying to get more known and get more sales or leads, it can be a daunting and intimidating task to get discovered on the platform. But don't worry, if you subscribe to our channel now, we'll help you with that. We can grow together. Now, have you tried any of the methods mentioned? If so, what are your results? Feel free to share it with us in our comment section down below. Now, if you need help with optimizing your videos and your channel, we can create a personalized strategic plan for you to grow your channel, whether you are a content creator or a business owner. You can visit dawnmediaproductions.com, click the link above or in the description box below to get started and get the help you need. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.